You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's have a look at how to pronounce this word in American English, in US English. How do they say it in the USA? Soldier. Okay, so it's a J sound, a J sound essentially, not a D sound. Soldier. Soldier. Sometimes even, depending on the accent, might be said as soldier. Okay, soldier or soldier. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.